Okay, so recently I ordered a Vevor plate shear so I could cut sheet metal. And this is the unboxing of it. Seems to be pretty well packaged. This is a big heavy piece of metal, so nice handle. A little dirty, but from shipping I assume, rubbing in the styrofoam. With the styrofoam inside. I'm sure those are metric. Yep, 18 millimeter. Pretty much anything you get any more metric. There we go. Okay, so we're going to mount this to the table so we can check it all out. Got some light duty hardware that'll hold it. So we're going to mark where it is. I like the pre-drill. supposed to cut several sizes of metal. This is a little thin, but it's going to do for what I want to show you. And it just like butter. Yeah, this little stop here that you can adjust down to keep the material from kicking up. Nice. This is a little thicker material here. This is part of a 4-pan out of a truck. So you can run longer material because it can slide through. I mean, that's just cut right through it too. It's going to come in real handy when I'm putting 4-pans in the Pontiac. Plug with a little more. In seconds. Here's some 3/16 plate. Pull a little harder with it. If my table wasn't moving, it would have been just fine. It will cut it if you're strong enough. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I do plan on mounting this on a steel structure bolted to the floor so that it doesn't move, because I will be cutting some heavier stuff when I start the restoration of the Pontiac there, which is coming up soon. But yes, Vevor plate shear. I like it.